Okay, another day, another maker advent. Okay, straight to it. What is it? Overhead camera. Banana for scale. Hello once again. It is a precision electric screwdriver set with 28 pieces, all the way from Temu. And this cost me the princely sum of £18.26 delivered. Yep, it's not the best screwdriver in the world, but it's alright. It works. So it comes with, let's open the box. It's missing. No, for some reason they put the blank in that hold it in place. Anyway, whatever. There it is. It comes pre-charged as well, which is nice. I did give it a charge as well to see if it would take any more charge, and it said it was full. Okay, construction is plastic. There's no high-grade premium material here. It is plastic. It's not a wow stick. It's not one of those HOTO ones that's really popular at the minute. It's like a huge one. That you're not going to do DIY with this. This is for small electronics on your bench. It goes forward and backwards, left and right, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. It's got a light because, yeah, okay, got a light. If you hold the light, it changes the torque setting from like a low torque to a high torque. And hold it up to the microphone, you can hear. There you go. Loads of bits in the box. Is it any good? Well, let's see. I have got a donor right now. It's my Logitech keyboard that I use here and there. These are some standard crosshead screws. Get the crosshead bit, put it on, and remember which way around it is. So the back button is loosey, front button is tighty. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Will it undo? No. Let's change the torque. That might say it's not. Let's have another go. Hang on, that's impressed me. It didn't do it last time. That screw is out. Put the screw back in. Let's do righty-tighty. Alright, that works. I've been proven wrong. That's not bad. 18 quid, and it works quite well. It's the same colour as well. Anyway, loads of bits in the box. Accessory box as well. What's in the box in the box? This is where I can't get into it. There you go. We get something stuck in the box. So we get 3. Why am I holding it to the wrong camera? Let's do that. There you go. 3 guitar pick type things to separate plastic. I have dropped one on the floor now. We get a spudger type thing to leave things open with. And we get a magnetizer, demagnetizer for the bits. So let's put it in the magnetizer. And let's undo that screw again. Screw has stuck to it. And it's back in. Let's demagnetize it. And let's... Yep. Screw is not sticking. So that works. Not tried that yet. Let's do the right camera. The bits are decent. Not too bad at all. Does it work with generic bits? Well, I've got bits box up here. There you go. I designed that myself, yes. Does it fit these? Yeah. Does it spin? Yeah. Well, yeah, that works. 18 quid? Yeah, I can live with that. Not the best in the world. It's not a wow stick, but then I'm paying 18 quid rather than about 40 quid for a wow stick, something like that. USB-C charging. Should really show that on the screen, shouldn't I? Let's go to overhead. USB-C, because pretty much everything in this office is USB-C, apart from my computer. Charges pretty well. Holds the charge for a while, and don't know how long it's going to let me screw things for, but we'll soon find out and I'll tell you. Yeah, it works, it's cheap. I'm happy. Job done. Anyway, see you later. Bonus content. Yes, you thought the video was over. It's not. Well, there's the electric screwdriver. Pretty good. I like that. Cheap enough. I thought, hey, let's get a swanky thing to put it into charge. So I got a charging base. Yeah, that's nice. It's USB-C. It's even got a built-in battery, which is odd. I thought, yeah, let's get a base for it, plug it in, charge up the screwdriver, make it look cool on the desk. But yeah, look at that. It's even got a thing to hold the bits in. Awesome. Let's plug it in to charge. See my problem? Yeah. That don't fit. It's for a different model. Oh well. So we'll take it apart and see what's inside on another video. I'm guessing it's going to be a battery, but there could be something like a charge controller in there, TP4056, something like that. Could be useful. Anyway, cheers.